My name's Delaney Doucette and my major is physical therapy. Jumping right into the program, you just kind of take off running. I think we have 3 weeks and then we start clinical right away with that integrated clinical experience. The first year was really challenging for me, feeling like you shouldn't be here, I'm not smart enough to be here, but as you keep going, you prove yourself wrong every single day. I think I really enjoy connecting with clients and patients because you are not only their physical therapist, but sometimes you can be just an ear and someone to lean on. And every time I leave one of my clinical sites, I always feel really, really good inside, like I'm doing something that matters. Like, even though we don't know everything yet, we're still learning, but just being there and working with them and giving the time of day and listening to them, they truly, truly, truly enjoy it. My friends that I've made here are like what get me through every single day. We are so close, and truly, if I didn't have the people that I have here, like, I don't think I would still be here, because we go through the challenges together, but then we get to celebrate together. So that is the best part of this whole experience.